Hello, kids. Today, we are going to learn key rules for using Roman numerals. Let's dive into the symbols and values of Roman numerals. So, when it comes to Roman numbers, we use letters like this. I stands for 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M represents 1000. Here are some rules for Roman numerals. Let's start with addition rule. When symbols are placed side by side, their values are added together. Examples. I letters added together and makes 2. 1 V and 1 I is 6, similarly. X, I is 12. Now, subtraction rule. When a smaller symbol is placed before a larger symbol, its value is subtracted from the larger value. Examples, like V is 4. Here, I is 1 and V is 5, so smaller symbol. I placed before larger symbol, V. So V is 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Similarly, IX is 9 and XL is 40. There are few more things that we have to keep in mind in subtraction rule. Not every symbol can be subtracted. The symbols V, L, and D can never be subtracted, only added. The smaller symbol I can only be subtracted from V and X. The smaller symbol X can only be subtracted from L and C. Now, in Roman numeral rules, the placement really matters. Symbols can only be subtracted when the smaller symbol is directly before a single larger symbol. For examples, IV is 4, because the smaller symbol I is directly before the larger symbol V, so it's subtracted. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Now, similarly, IX is 9 because I is directly before X, resulting in subtraction. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Subtraction only occurs when a smaller symbol is placed immediately before a single larger symbol. If there's a gap or another symbol in between, subtraction doesn't apply. Let's try to write 95. To represent 95, you'd use XCV, which is 100 minus 10 plus 5 is equals to 95. XC represents 90, which is 100 minus 10. And V is added to 90 to reach 95. So XCV is correct representation for 95. Repetition rule. A symbol can be repeated up to 3 times to represent a larger number. For examples, 3 times. I is equals to 3, 3 times X is equals to 30, and 3 times C is equals to 300. No repetition for V, L, and D. The symbols V, L, and D cannot be repeated. Bar notation for thousands. To represent numbers in the thousands, a bar is placed over the symbol to multiply its value by 1000. Examples. V, with the bar placed over the symbol to multiply its value by 1000, represents 5000. Similarly, M, with the bar placed over the symbol to multiply its value by 1000, represents 10 lakhs, or we can say 1 million. Remember, Roman numerals are generally written in uppercase letters. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code to download our app. Practice maths, science, English, and more.
Like the video and subscribe our channel for more fun videos.